Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a branch in GitHub. Branching is a key part of version control, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and manage branches with ease. Let's get started. First, head to your GitHub repository. On the left-hand side, you'll see the branch dropdown. This shows the branch you're currently working on, usually the main branch. If you click on the drop-down, you'll see a list of recently updated branches, and at the bottom, an option to view all branches. If you click View All Branches, you'll be taken to a page that shows every branch in the repository. On this page, you'll find a green button on the right-hand side labeled New Branch. Click it, give your branch a name, and then select the branch you want to branch off from. You can search and choose any existing branch. Once ready, click Create New Branch. Your new branch is now created and ready for commits. There's also a quicker way. Instead of going to the View All Branches page, simply click on the branch dropdown from your repository page and start typing the name of the new branch you want to create. GitHub will give you an option like Create Branch Sub-Editor from main, or whichever branch you're currently on. Click that option and GitHub will instantly create the branch for you. Once created, you'll be switched into your new branch. You can now make changes, commit them, and keep your work separate until you're ready to merge. To verify, you can always go back to the branches section and see your new branch listed there. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a new branch in GitHub using both the detailed view and the quick method. Branching is a powerful way to manage features, fixes, and experiments without disrupting your main code. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.